Welcome to our tutorial on the shaft command. First, let's activate the shaft command. Now, we will select Sketch 1. For an axis, we're going to use this line. Preview. Let me select a different axis, for example, in a vertical direction. Preview. Or this line here, for example, preview again. I can also right-click on the axis field and choose Create Line from the drop-down menu. I'm going to use my new line as an axis. In the Point 1 field, right-click to create a point. Let's create it 1 inch in the Y and Z directions. Click OK. Let's create our second point now, also 1 inch in the Y direction, but let's do it at -1 inch in the Z direction. Click OK. Here is our line. It also appears here in the specification tree. Click OK and click Preview. Now we've created a shaft around this new line, but we don't see the line. That's because the line is currently in no show. Next, I'll check the Thick Profile checkbox. For thickness 1, I'm going to enter 0.1 inch. Tab. For thickness 2, I'll enter 0.2 inch and hit the Tab key, then Preview. Now you see that our solid is a little bit thicker. Let's change the second limit to -90 degrees so we can see inside the solid. Hit the Tab key and Preview. Now, as you can see, the solid is hollow inside. Material was added around the profile. Click OK, and this concludes our shaft tutorial.